Numpy, divide each row by a vector element. Suppose I have a Numpy array, and I have a corresponding vector. How do I operate on data along each row to either subtract or divide so the result is? Long story short, how do I perform an operation on each row of a 2D array with a 1D array of scalars that correspond to each row?
Here you go. You just need to use none, or alternatively np.newAxis, combined with broadcasting.
As has been mentioned, slicing with none or with np.newAxis is a great way to do this. Another alternative is to use transposes and broadcasting, as in and. For higher dimensional arrays you may want to use the swapaxis method of Numpy arrays or the Numpy rollaxis function. There really are a lot of ways to do this. For a fuller explanation of broadcasting, see this URL.
Pythonic way to do this is. This takes care of reshaping and also the results are in floating point format. In other answers results are in rounded integer format. Hashtag note, no of columns in both data and vector should match.
Adding to the answer of Stack Overflow user 2010, in the general case you can just use. This will turn your vector into a column matrix/vector, allowing you to do the element-wise operations as you wish. At least to me, this is the most intuitive way going about it, and since, in most cases, Numpy will just use a view of the same internal memory for the reshaping, it's efficient too.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.